We will start the Incoterms module by talking about the definition of Incoterms. So Incoterms 2020 rules. They are the official commercial terms published by the International Chamber of Commerce, ICC. This is a trade mark for them, where they publish the terms that you can use for your international shipments when you are buying something from outside your country, or even inside your country. If you have water pathways, if you have rivers, then you can apply these Incoterms to the purchase that you are making. So these Incoterms, they determine the responsibilities and the rights and the risk between you and the seller. So everyone will know what they have to do, what is their obligation, what are the risks that they are taking based on the Incoterms that they are using. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next section.